of the week.
The bird of the week this week is the northern pintail. This is a medium-sized, long-necked duck with a pointy tail and long, narrow wings. Males in breeding plumage have a white breast and this white line along a brown head and neck. Their tail is super long. Females and non-breeding males are mottled brown and white with a plain face and a dark bill. Pintails dabble and feed on the surface of the water and eat seeds, worms, snails, insects, and grains. They breed throughout much of the northern hemisphere. They migrate to their wintering grounds at night, flying around 50 miles per hour and sometimes going long distances non-stop. Males make wheezy whistle sounds and females make stuttering calls. Tune in next week for another